Hello, I'm Professor Philip Chiu from Faculty of Medicine, the Chinese University of Hong Kong. This research titled Prospective Single-Arm Trial on Feasibility and Safety of Endoscopic Robotic System for Colonic Endoscopic Submucosal Dissection is conducted at the Endoscopy Center, Prince of Wales Hospital, Hong Kong, in collaboration with National University of Singapore and Nanyang Technological University. The objective of development of EndoMaster E-System aims to enhance safety and efficacy of colonic ESD through two flexible robotic arms for tissue retraction and dissection. This is the first clinical trial to evaluate the performance of colorectal ESD using EndoMaster. From May 2020 to January 2022, 43 patients received robotic ESD for treatment of early colorectal neoplasia. The mean dissection time was 62 minutes. The on-bloc resection rate was 94.6%, while the complete resection rate was 83.8%. The median size of specimen was 35 mm. There was one delayed bleeding 4 days after ESD, which can be controlled by endoscopy. One patient sustained perforation during the procedure, which was completely closed with clips without sequelae. This is the first clinical trial to confirm the safety and efficacy in performing colorectal ESD using flexible robotics. And I believe that this marks a new era for development of flexible robotics to enhance the performance of advanced endoluminal procedure. In the future, further clinical trials should be conducted to compare the performance of robotic colorectal ESD to conventional method, as well as to explore the development of novel robotics-enhanced endoluminal device for advanced procedure like suturing. Thank you very much.